Today on the art of the face, I'm going to talk about skin prep. And it is so essential before we even get into makeup application that we learn about skin prep. And so with Seint makeup, you don't need a lot of prepping, but you do need to take care of your skin during the AM, which correlates with putting your makeup on too. So there are a couple things that I'd like to talk about in ensuring that for a mature face, you're getting the most benefit from. And we're going to keep it simple and easy because it doesn't need to be all complicated, but we don't want to overlook the skin prep part. Okay, so what do we do first? When you wake up in the morning, you don't have to re-wash your face, but take warm water, maybe a microfiber cloth, and rinse whatever residual you had from your skincare that you do use at night, because you always want to use that nighttime skincare. So you're just going to wipe whatever's left off your face. What I love about the Plush Prep Mist are the ingredients. So it has a hyaluronic acid. This is going to protect your skin barrier from all the environmental factors, but most importantly, it's going to hydrate your face. So moisturizing, and moisture occurs at night during your PM skincare, and then during the morning, you don't want to continue to moisturize. You want to hydrate your mature skin. So the next ingredient is caffeine. So caffeine helps stimulate the blood circulation. So it's going to help with brightening your skin and also the production of collagen, and that's what we want. So remember, your skin prep is to hydrate your face in the AM. We're going to keep it simple with one product to do all the things. Now, once you do this, if you use a serum, say for example, a vitamin C, a niacinamide, for me, I like to use a niacinamide. So what this does, it minimizes like large pores, which I have. It also helps with the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, and it soothes redness, which I have. In the morning when I wake up, I have red skin. So this helps, this ingredient really helps. Another hero ingredient is vitamin C. So that not only protects the barrier of your skin, but it also helps with dark spots. So that's something you might want to think about in adding to your serums. If you have questions about serums that you currently use, always message me, email me, and I'll be happy to help. Okay, so after applying your prep spray, your serum, then you'll want to apply your balm. If you have dryness, crepiness around the eyes, your makeup is just going to set better when you prep your eyes. You don't have to buy, say, an additional heavy eye cream. We have a balm and it has, again, hero ingredients. You really have to look at ingredients. This particular one, the balm, it's unscented, which I like. It also absorbs quickly and it's not greasy. One of the two ingredients in here is castor oil and squalane. And what these do is help plump those wrinkles. It really has a deep hydration and moisturizer component to it. So it's not going to be greasy, but yet, like I said, absorb quickly. And two ingredients that all women must have. These two ingredients really are key when it comes to sensitive under eye and even on the lid. Part of our body, the eye, the skin around it, is the thinnest skin of our body. So we really want to use a product that's going to be gentle and it doesn't tug. It also has vitamin E, which again, antioxidant. It's going to help protect your skin from the environment. And lastly is the sunscreen. So no matter what you put on your face, ladies, you'll always have sunscreen as the last product you put on your face. And there are so many out there to choose from. You want to avoid ingredients that are pore clogging, strip moisture from your face. And those ingredients tend to do that when they're in sunscreens. And not only that, because our makeup, cream makeup, sets on the skin, a dimethicone or silicone also sets on the skin. So there's a competing factor, something setting on the skin, your makeup setting on the skin, and your makeup could move around. So Look at the ingredients on your sunscreen if you need any recommendations for sunscreens. I've tried several that all of them I love. Depending if you want a glowy look, a matte look, I can give that to you. Also, again, message me or email me on that. It's non-negotiable. Sunscreen, no matter what the season, no matter what time of day, you'll really need to apply that because we need that additional protection. And all the skincare that you do, whether it be in the PM or the AM, it's going to be negated by the sun and the environment if your skin is not protected. So that really equates to just spending money on skincare that's not going to matter. Always want to use sunscreen as the last product for applying makeup to your face, and I would recommend applying that sunscreen at least 20 minutes prior to doing your makeup, minimum 10 minutes, but 20 minutes, because that's going to allow that sunscreen to penetrate your skin and protect at multiple levels. And that's what we want when we're protecting our skin as we mature. I hope this series on the art of skin prep helps you prepare your face before your makeup. Remember, here, makeup is never rushed, never harsh, and never about fixing. I'm Jade with Jade Mature Beauty, and continue to like these videos so I can produce tips and tricks for women over 50.